Good morning, students. So today we are going to start reducing fraction using HCF. Okay, we'll begin from where we left yesterday. Yesterday we did reducing fraction using division. So today we are going to do reducing fraction by HCF. HCF you have learned how to find out before, alright. Still we'll do it again today. So let us first take our fraction, that is 36 by 48. So what we are going to do now is find the factors of both the numerator and the denominator. So what are the factors of 36? The factors of 36 you are going to find by dividing, alright, in the rough work column to be drawn on the right hand side. We will find it out here in the rough work column, and then we are going to write down the factors. So the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 6, 9, 18, 12, 2, 18 and 36. Alright, so these are the factors. Alright. Now we are going to write down the factors of 48. Factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. 6 is 48, so 4 into 12, 3 into 16, 2 into 24, Alright, so these are the factors of 36 and 48. Now check. We have 1 common, 2 common, 3 common, 4 common, 6, and after that 12 is common. Then anything else? No. So 12 is the highest common factor. We have many common factors in these two. Like I told you before, 1 is common, 2, 3, 4, these are common in both. These numbers are present in both the factors. So 12 is the highest among all these common factors. 12 is the highest. So we'll write down HCF of 36 and 48 equals to 12. And then what are we going to do? We are going to reduce this. Alright. And how do we reduce? Just hold on. Alright, now this part is visible, right? So 36 by 48, we are going to divide by 12. Both the numerator and the denominator will be divided by 12, and we will get 3 by 4. So this is the lowest form. Alright. Now let me show you another question, a very simple one. Okay, a very simple one. I'm rubbing this. This side is good. Yes.